What's your name?
My name is David.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
How is the weather today?
It's rainy today.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim yet.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school every day.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading storybooks.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to play with my toys.
What is your favorite season?
I like winter.
Do you like chocolates?
Yes, I love chocolates.
Can you count to 10?
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I love playing on the swings.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help clean my room.
Can you sing a song?
Yes, I like singing nursery rhymes.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a jacket and gloves.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run very fast.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Can you clap your hands?
Yes, clap, clap, clap.
Do you like jumping?
Yes, I love jumping on the bed.
Can you ride a scooter?
Yes, I can ride a scooter.
What do you do when you feel happy?
I smile and laugh.
Do you know how to tie your shoes?
Yes, I learned from my mom.
Do you like to ride a horse?
I have never tried, but I want to.
Can you count backward from 10?
Yes, 10, 9, 8.
Do you like playing in the rain?
Yes, jumping in puddles is fun.
What do you like to do in summer?
I love eating ice cream.
Have you ever seen a rainbow?
Yes, it was so colorful.
What is your favorite shape?
I like circle.
Can you touch your toes?
Yes, look, I can do it.
Do you like riding a bicycle?
Yes, I love riding in the park.
What is your favorite weather?
I love sunny days.
Can you whistle?
No, I am still learning.
Can you make a funny face?
Yes, look at this.
What is your favorite drink?
I like strawberry milkshake.
Do you like balloons?
Yes, I like red and blue balloons.
What do you like to do at the beach?
I love collecting seashells.
Do you like fireworks?
Yes, they are so colorful.
Can you jump like a frog?
Yes, ribbit, ribbit.
Do you like bedtime stories?
Yes, they help me sleep.
What is your favorite drink?
I like strawberry milkshake.
Do you know the days of the week?
Yes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Do you like eating vegetables?
Yes, I like carrots and cucumbers.
Can you hop on one foot?
Yes, look, I can do it.
What is your favorite flower?
I like roses.
Do you like wearing hats?
Yes, I have a red hat.
What time do you sleep at night?
I sleep at 9 o'clock.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a nap.
Can you name 3 fruits?
Yes, apple, banana, and orange.
What is your favorite bedtime toy?
My teddy bear.
Do you like blowing bubbles?
Yes, bubbles are so much fun.
What is your favorite snack?
I love cookies and milk.
Can you wave your hand?
Yes, hello, hello.
Do you like playing with balloons?
Yes, I like to pop them too.
What do you do when you feel hot?
I drink cold water.
Can you make a paper airplane?
Yes, my dad taught me how.
Do you like playing with toy cars?
Yes, I race them on the floor.
Can you stand on one leg?
Yes, but only for a few seconds.
What is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 5.
Do you like eating cake?
Yes, chocolate cake is my favorite.
What do you wear to bed?
I wear my pajamas.
What do you do when you are happy?
I smile and dance.
Can you snap your fingers?
No, I cannot.
Do you like flying kites?
Yes, it's so much fun in the wind.
Do you like watching rainbows?
Yes, they are so colorful.
What is your favorite insect?
I like butterflies.
Do you like collecting stickers?
Yes, I have a sticker book.
What is your favorite planet?
I love Saturn because of its rings.
What is your favorite fruit juice?
I love mango juice.
Can you whistle a tune?
No, but I am practicing.
What is your favorite ice cream topping?
I love chocolate sprinkles.
Do you like birthday parties?
Yes, I love cake and balloons.
What is your favorite pet?
I love puppies.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, but I want to learn.
What is your favorite TV show?
I like Peppa Pig.
What is your favorite soup?
I love tomato soup.
Can you count to 50?
Yes, but it takes time.